Hey guys, Chicago personal injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here, and in today's video I'm going to answer the question, if I get hurt out of Illinois, can I have a case inside Illinois? Okay. The reason why I'm answering this question is I had a guy call me yesterday about this very question. So I actually have a couple of cases like this that are recent, so I thought I better shoot a video about it. So here's the deal. If you're hurt outside of the state of Illinois, like this guy, in this guy's situation, he was in an automobile crash. He was in a car crash outside of the state of Illinois. Now, almost all the time, the state where you get hurt, the location where you get hurt, is the place where the lawsuit has to be filed, okay? So, for example, let's say you live in Chicago, but you get hurt in Tennessee. If you get hurt in Tennessee, the crash happens in Tennessee, the lawsuit has to be filed in Tennessee. It's always a good idea. So if you live in Chicago, but you got hurt in Tennessee, you still might want to call a Chicago injury lawyer because you're in Chicago. A lawyer in Chicago is going to be familiar with the local treating doctors, the local, the way all of the local stuff in Chicago works pre-suit, and then your lawyer can find an attorney to co-counsel with if a lawsuit needs to be filed. A lot of people don't know this, but a pretty low percentage of cases ever make it to suit, or at least in my office, that's the case. We settle right around 88 to a little bit over 90% of our cases, depending on the time period you're looking at. So we're very successful, but I do know there are lawyers out there that just file a lawsuit on every case. And in that case, you or your lawyer are going to need a Tennessee attorney, right? But I have a lot of my cases, people hire me for a car crash where it happened out of state, and I'm a member of several networks of attorneys who focus on being trial lawyers and focus on trying cases and things of that nature. So I know lawyers all over the country, and they're really good lawyers. So if I had a case that, you're in Chicago, but the injury occurred out of state, it's easy for me to find a top-notch lawyer who'd be happy to co-counsel with us. The one exception to that is workers' comp, okay? So in a workers' comp case, it's usually the same. It's where you get hurt. But Illinois is somewhere in the middle of the pack, I think, with workers' comp laws. Some states are more generous, some are less. But Illinois has pretty good workers' comp laws. So if you are employed in Illinois and you're hurt in another state, you can file an Illinois workers' comp case, right? So a little bit complicated, but the answer is actually not that, it's actually not that complicated. So I hope that information helps you. I've had a couple of clients who needed that information, so that's why I shot you the video. If you have a question you'd like to answer or have me answer on video, go ahead and email it to me at service@desalvolaw.com. Or if you or a loved one or a friend or a family member got hurt in an accident and need answers or maybe need to hire an attorney, I'm available. Give me a call on my 24-hour phone line. It gets answered all the time, every day of the year, anytime, day or night. And that number's 312-500-4500, 312-500-4500. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified of new videos. And if you wouldn't mind, I'll leave a link in the description for you to click, and you can go to Google and leave me a 5-star review if you would. It would help me a lot. Finally, I have a bunch of useful tools on my website. I'm building a secret one right now. It's not done yet, so I haven't released it. But when I release it, I'll announce it on this channel. But I do have 2 recent, really good tools on my website for injured people. One is the Case Cash Calculator, okay? The Case Cash Calculator tells you how much your case is worth in 15 seconds, multiple choice questions. You get an answer right away, no lawyer, no obligation. The other one works just the same, Multiple choice takes 10 or 15 seconds to do, just multiple choice questions, and you get an idea about whether you have a good case or not. And that's called the Good Case Calculator. So those are free on my website. If you want to use them or share them with others, by all means. My website's loaded with good information about injury cases, but of course so is my YouTube channel. I think I've got over 100 videos now. So anyway, sorry for going on and on. Thank you for watching and have a great day.